While version 1 focused on animating the face, EchoMimic V2 takes it up a notch, animating the upper body and even hand movements with stunning accuracy. Let's dive in and explore what makes this tool a game changer. Here's an example of EchoMimic V2 in action. Notice how the AI captures not only the speech, but also the subtleties of hand gestures, making the animation feel incredibly lifelike. Whether it's in English, Chinese, or Spanish, the results are impressively fluid. Compared to similar tools, EchoMimic V2 stands out with its natural transitions and precise hand tracking. Other tools might struggle with distortions or rigid movements, but this AI delivers smooth, consistent animations. Using EchoMimic V2 is straightforward. Upload an image, add your audio clip, and let the AI work its magic. The tool supports various audio formats and adjusts settings automatically to give you the best output. For optimal results, you can tweak settings like resolution, frame rate, and sampling rate. The tool is designed to handle different aspect ratios and video lengths, making it flexible for various projects. While generating high-quality animations might take some time, especially on systems with limited VRM, the results are well worth the wait. The AI manages to maintain fluid motion and detailed gestures, even with complex audio inputs like singing. To get started, all you need is a CUDA-compatible GPU. Installation is simple, and the tool's GitHub page provides clear instructions. Plus, there's a planned release for a faster version, making it even more accessible. Here's the edited transcript with the repeated "so" and unnecessary filler words removed, along with improved readability and flow. There's a new feature called AI Engineer that lets you create custom chatbots fine-tuned with your own data or instructions. This is a powerful tool to leverage top AI models on a single platform. Try it out via the link in the description below. 49. Let's walk through the installation process. The instructions are straightforward. First, clone the repository using Git. If you don't have Git installed, here's how to do it. If Git is already installed, skip ahead. Download the latest release for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the 64-bit version. Once the .exe file downloads, open it and follow the installation steps. Use the default install location. Click through the prompts and let it install. After installing Git, pick a location to clone the repository. I'll use my desktop. Open Command Prompt from your desktop folder by typing CMD in the address bar. Copy the repository URL, then paste it into Command Prompt to clone it. You should now see the EchoMimic V2 folder on your desktop. Drag it over, open it, and compare it with the repository to ensure the files match. Next, navigate into the EchoMimic V2 folder using cd EchoMimic V2. Now we'll create a virtual environment using Conda. This step prevents conflicts with other AI tools on your system. If Anaconda isn't installed, download Miniconda instead for a lighter install. Go to anaconda.com and download the Miniconda installer for Python 3.11, as many AI tools don't support Python 3.12. After downloading, run the installer and follow the steps, opting for the default settings. After installation, if Conda isn't recognized in Command Prompt, you need to add Anaconda to your path. Open Edit the System Environment Variables, click Environment Variables, and add the path to Anaconda's Scripts folder. With Conda installed, create a new environment named EchoMimic with Python 3.10 using the command conda create. Name EchoMimic Python 3.110. Once created, activate the environment with conda activate EchoMimic. Install necessary packages by copying and pasting the provided commands into Command Prompt. Start by updating pip if prompted, then install the required torch packages and other dependencies listed in the requirements file. After successfully installing all dependencies, download and set up FFmpeg. Extract it to your C drive and add its path to your system environment variables as well. Next, download pre-trained weights from Hugging Face using gitlfs. Clone each required repository into the EchoMimic folder and organize them as instructed. Finally, run the Gradio interface using Python app.py. This will open a user-friendly graphical interface for generating videos. To start the interface later, activate the EchoMimic environment and run Python app.py again. Ignore the no module named Triton error. It won't affect functionality. The interface may initially display in Chinese. Right-click and select Translate to English if you're using Chrome. Test the setup by generating a video and you're all set. That wraps up the installation and review of Echo Mimic V2. If you encounter any errors, leave a comment and I'll help troubleshoot. For more AI news and tools, like, share, and subscribe. Also, subscribe to my free weekly newsletter to stay updated on the latest in AI.